I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to convert a color photo to be black and white using Affinity Studio. Step 1. Open the color photo you want to convert to be black and white in the Affinity application on your computer. Step 2. Check to make sure you see the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. If you see it, then you can move forward to the next step. If you don't see the Layers panel like what I have highlighted on the screen, then just click Window, General, and then click to place a check mark next to Layers. Step 3. Click to select the Layers tab and then click the Adjustments icon. The Adjustments icon is a circle that's half black and half white. A menu opens. Step 4. Click Black and White in this menu. Your photo will immediately be converted to be black and white. You can switch back to show your image in color at any time by navigating to the Layers section, finding the black and white adjustment layer, and then clicking the Deselect Visibility icon for that layer. Your photo will switch back to being displayed in color. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.